Hello and welcome to Senior Art Strokes. In our 5-minute drawing tip today, what we're going to be talking is about pencils. Why, I've been asked before, why do I sketch with a pencil that has been sharpened by a blade, like this, and look how much lead it has exposed, compared to a pencil that has been sharpened by a sharpener, okay? And we can see the difference there. There are several reasons. One, the very first one, for me is a psychological reason that when I see a little tiny bit of a lead exposed, I always think about people holding the pencil like they're writing, and they're going to be drawing with their the point of the pencil, okay? And the danger of this is a lot of people tend to be heavy-handed, and they're going to go this a little bit too deep into the paper, where they're going to have problems erasing this later on. As you can see, I'm going over several times, and they're going to stay there. Compare to lead that's been exposed more, I hold my pencil from the side. When you hold the pencil from the side, your lines are going to be light. You're going to be able to erase pretty much everything until, the paper is exposed and everything else disappears. If I want to use the side of this pencil, I can still use it, but it's a lot more wood rubbing on the paper than graphite, you see, compared